Today we're going to start in a comfortable seated position. Go ahead and roll the shoulders up and down and back. And we'll go ahead and bring the pointer finger and the thumb to touch. And we'll take several deep breaths in and out. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. And we'll quickly set an intention for your practice today. What do you want to get from yoga? What do you need from this practice? Go ahead and walk the right fingertips away from the body and tilt the head over to your left. Maybe the left ear comes to left shoulder. And then we'll switch. Inhale, come back to center. And as you exhale, walk the left fingertips out. Right ear drops to right shoulder. Again, breathing in through your nose and out through the mouth. As you inhale, we'll come back to center and then go ahead and meet me on all fours. Come into tabletop position. Wrists aligned with shoulders and knees right below the hips. And we'll do some cat-cows here. So on your inhale, go ahead and round the spine. Push the floor away with the hands. Tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone. And then come into cow pose. So tilt the chin up, tailbone tilts up, belly drops down. Again, inhale to cat pose. And then exhale, come into cow pose. Go ahead and curl the toes under. Press the heels down, lift the tailbone up, and come into downward facing dog. Pedal your feet out, bend one knee, straighten the other. Press the heels down, lift the tailbone up, press the floor away. Go ahead and slightly bend the knees. And then walk, hop, or step both feet up towards the hands. On your inhale, halfway lift, hands to shins. And as you exhale, fold forward. And then inhale, rise all the way up to standing. Press the palms up overhead, exhale, hands to heart. Go ahead and bow the head down. Tuck the chin towards the chest and think of one thing that you're grateful for today. On your inhale, sweep the arms up overhead again. And as you exhale, begin to fold forward. Inhale, bring the hands to the shins, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into plank pose. Lower yourself down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Again, pedal the feet out, bend one knee, straighten the other, bend the knees slightly, look up between the hands, walk, hop, step both feet up. Inhale, halfway lift, hands come to the shins. Exhale, fold forward. Let's go ahead and sit right down into chair pose. Go ahead and bend the knees, sink the hips down, lift the arms up by the ears, chair pose. As you exhale, press yourself to stand, slight back bend, and then exhale, fold forward. On your inhale, hands to the shins, halfway lift, exhale, step back, plank pose. Lower yourself down, chaturanga, exhale, up dog or cobra, and then down dog. Lift the right leg up high, and as you exhale, step that right foot up between the hands. Back foot spirals down, warrior one. Exhale, hands come back down to the mat. Step the right foot back, lower yourself down, chaturanga. Cobra to up dog. Exhale, down dog. Other side, lift the left leg up high. Exhale, step the left foot up between the hands. Spiral open to warrior one. Hands back down to the mat. Step the left foot back, chaturanga. Inhale to cobra or up dog. And then as you exhale, press the heels down and back. Hips tilt up for down dog. On the next inhale, lift the right leg up high again. And as you exhale, come into pigeon pose. Send that knee between the hands, resting down on the hips. Keep the hips square to the short edge of your mat as you begin to fold forward over that front leg. Let your forearms rest on your mat. Forehead rests on the mat. And exhale. Inhale, lift yourself back up, and we'll meet in down dog. Lift that right leg up behind you. Shake it out. Other side, lift the left leg up, and then step that left knee. Place the left knee up between the hands. Pigeon pose on the other side. Go ahead and lower yourself down. Again, resting on the forearms if you're able to, and resting on your forehead. Inhale. Full breath out. Exhale and lift yourself back up. And then again, press yourself backwards into downward facing dog. Shake that left leg out again. Go ahead and look up between the hands. Bend the knees a little and walk, hop, or step up between the hands, and then sit yourself down and then lie down flat on the back. Once you get onto your back, go ahead and pull the knees into your chest and gently rock from left to right. Maybe circles one way and then the other. And then we'll prepare for happy baby. So go ahead and grab the outer edges of the feet. Pull the knees down into the armpits. Flex the feet up towards the sky. And then gently rock from side to side. Again, go ahead and pull the knees into the chest and rock from left to right again. And now it's time for Shavasana. Stay here for as long as you want, or as little as you want. Namaste.